What's up guys, how are you doing? I just took my car out from underneath the tarp over there. You can't see it, but it was stored for winter, and I'm gonna do a little bit of work on it. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And starting off with fixing out my steering wheel. I just got a steering wheel like 2 years ago, and it was really nice when it was new, but it got kind of all glossy and shiny, and I found a trick to clean it up. So we're gonna see if that works. So that's how we'll get started. Let's get going. Alright guys, so I've got my steering wheel here, just a kind of junk NRG steering wheel. Yeah, it's kind of like all glossy, like right here, just kind of where you put your hands on from the oils. And I saw a video where this guy was cleaning up some leather that got like that, but he did it with a magic eraser, like Mr. Clean magic eraser. This one is totally clapped out, but it should still work. So I'm just gonna give it a try. Hopefully it doesn't like damage anything. I don't think it will. So I just got some water here. I'm gonna put a bit of water on this dude and give it a try. I don't think I'm gonna press very hard at first just to see. Yeah, that totally works. See how it's all like flat like that? And then over here where I haven't done it yet, it's all glossy. So that totally works. That's super easy. All right, so I would say this was a major success. I really only spent like 5-10 minutes cleaning that up. And here I put the wheel back in the light here. So it looks pretty much like it was brand new. Obviously it still kind of has the wear from me kind of using it. But overall it's a lot less glossy and it's more like flat. I think that looks really good, and it was so easy. It's kind of something you could probably just do every once in a while and get your steering wheel looking brand new again. Next up, I'm gonna pull my car into the garage. I have it plugged in there and the block heater's warming up, and gotta put the battery back in, and then we'll drive that thing into the garage and start working on it maybe today, maybe not. Alright, so I'm gonna bring the battery back out to the car, throw it in, and hopefully she starts up. So for now, I'm just gonna leave the terminals kind of loose. I'm really just bringing the car right into the garage, and then probably gonna be taking the battery out right away because I'm doing some welding. These cars are awesome for being all rusty, and my strut tower started to crack a little bit on the last drift event. It was an issue that I had when I had the car and I fixed it, but I didn't fix it quite as good as I could. So this time I'm gonna literally take everything out from this area, cut out all the rust, and then re-weld new stuff in with some extra like reinforcement plates, because I'm not sure exactly how bad this has been damaged now that it was all cracked. So I'm just gonna make sure it's super good, and yeah, so we'll see if it starts up. Alright guys, so earlier in the video I got my car ready to go. I put the battery in, and then I had to leave to go pick up these couple douche nozzles here. So anyways, these guys are here. The car is most likely gonna get stuck in the driveway, so I need a couple of guys to help me out. So no one brace are here, thanks guys. And yeah, so let's go see if it starts. Alright, so we're gonna see if the car starts now.
That's it?
Battery's dead.
Battery's dead.
Alright, come over here guys, this is some big news, alright? Got a battery jumper. It's charging now. Probably have to wait like 30 seconds and then I'll try again. Battery charged. Hell yeah! Car's had some notorious problems trying to get it into the garage, even though it's only like 2 feet away. Hopefully I don't crash it into the garage, so. And if I get stuck, no one breaks the hump. Is that in the tires? Yeah. Sick.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Gonna start taking everything apart. Start taking all the stuff out from around that area in the engine bay. Pull out the coil over. But first you gotta start by taking off the wheels. Or just the wheel. Okay.
He's not even doing anything.
I want to get this out of the way.
Alright, Lucas, what are you doing?
Alright guys, so I'm just trying to get everything out of this area right here because I'm going to have to be welding there. So I just got the intake out of the way. And yeah, and I'm starting taking off the like distributor coil and stuff. I got it. I need someone to catch the coil over. Boy.
Yeah, that worked. Watch it.